Nyborg Station. Let's find Yes. Yes brought some breakfast. It's a pretty good start to the day.
Breakfast for winners.
Yep. I'm jobless. Jobless.
Og så er jeg.
Ja. Gito sidder lige her og venter på os. Hej Gito.
Ja, tak. Det gør det.
Han sagde derhjemme, der kommer ikke noget.
Just got me a shrimp and egg sandwich. Very sweet of him. We went to the government to talk to these people about welfare. I'm not really gonna get into the details. It's back and forth with those guys. Next, I went to this other government building over there to ask if they have any of my mail, because I don't have an address. And now I'm going to my doctor to book an appointment. Vi klarede den sgu. Den er lige derovre. Ja, perfekt. Det kan godt være, det ikke er den. Okay.
Sådan vejr, det her. Kæft noget værre. Ja, det er rigtig aprilvejr.
Ja. Okay, we're in Svendborg now. Going to Cykeltutten. I'm going ahead. Yes, has a few things to take care of, so I'm gonna head down there on my own. Look at these masterfully built old boats. I think Svendborg is gonna be amazing in the summertime. There's probably gonna be a ton of boats here. It's quite pretty. Karoline S. This is the name of this boat. I like the roof of this little pavilion, or whatever you call it. It's an old boat they use as a roof here. There's a lot of people working on their bikes today. All kinds of stuff they're working on. Even this thing over there. Hey Bogdan, what's up, man? Good to see you. Is she liking the bike? Yeah, that's good.
One area doesn't work, and then
It's an active day. There's a lot of people here today.
it's not a lot now.
Oh, it is?
It was.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, it was. I go in with the bike like, oh, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, but now it's like
It was full.
Yeah. This is my new project.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah. You can try to.
Sådan.
Det, som der er specielt for dig, det er, at du skal stille mænd, der spiller på massen. Ja, og dreje rundt på det. Og jeg ved også, at jeg er dygtig til at spille på massen. Det ved jeg godt. Det er jeg ikke i tvivl om for os. Og nu rammer jeg sikkert en fjerde. Seriøst? Det er bare...
Hey!
Den femte streng sidder lige her, så den er endnu dybere.
Det ser syret ud nok, det der. Kan man overhovedet lave tricks på dem? Så kan man godt tage ramper og rails og sådan noget med den? Ja, okay, det tænker jeg også. Kan man overhovedet skubbe? Sådan kan man godt tage en af benene af? Kan det godt lade sig gøre at tage en af fødderne af og skubbe, ligesom på et skateboard? Nej, vel? Ja, det tænker jeg også. Jeg tænker sådan, er der ikke nogen advanced tricks, hvor nogle folk de gør det alligevel måske? Ja. Okay, vildt nok. Ja. Jeg har set mange skatevideoer her for det seneste. Noget af det vildeste jeg har set, jeg ikke havde set før, det er det der med folk der kører sådan 130 i timen ned ad et eller andet bjerg på skate på longboards. Bare det ser fucking sindssygt ud, mand.
We are a little showman circus. We are doing many funny things. We are a little showman circus. We are doing many funny things. Tatjana is the director. I am Mike Stumble and I am the clown.
gøre, så vi kan se, hvor vildt jeg er med.
Sådan, mand. Kæft, det var pissegodt.
Let's go.
Ja, selv skrevet. Ja, jeg ved det godt, jeg har hørt det før.
What a nice day. Eating, community, good music. Gotta catch a bus now. Talk later. I'm standing here on Svendborg station. Yes, he's off there in the distance biking to get some smoking papers for the two of us, so we can at least smoke a bit. Because tonight we're gonna be spending the night in Jesse's boat in Nyborg. So he said that he's got some way of heating it up. I hope that's the case, because otherwise it's gonna be a cold night. But yeah, I wanted to hang out and chill for a bit longer than usually. I have to leave at 8 p.m. at the latest when I'm here in Svendborg in order to make it back to the commune. But I just figured, fuck it, man. We're having such a good time. It's nice to see Bogdan again. I was really getting close to the guy on the waveboard or the wakeboard, whatever you call it, Anas. Nice guy. Oh yeah, and me and Yes and a bunch of other people started arranging for like a prototype of a festival. Like we're gonna try and run an event for like 1 or 2 nights consecutively, and then we're gonna, take it from there, scale it up every time, get better and better infrastructure. We're just gonna start with a gasoline generator, an inverter, a battery, simple setup, and then we're gonna expand from there. Let's see. It sounds like it could be good fun. I mean, Dion's not showing up anytime soon, so I got the whole summer to busy myself, it seems. Well, at least the foreseeable future.
Den Maja, eller er det noget med
Er den indrettet efter hvad?
skildpaddeskjoldet, som der også er 13 felter.
Okay.
Fordi det går stille og roligt. Og også efter kvinder. Kvinder og tallet 13, der er noget, fordi det er 13 måneder og 13 og liv måneder.
Kvinder og uheld går hånd i hånd. Og...
Nej, for det betyder det modsatte.
Jeg driller.
Nej, det gør det ikke nødvendigt.
Just got some candy. Let's go. I got all kinds of candy now.
Så tror jeg sgu den er der. Hvad? Nå, den ude frem? Ja.
Snack for later.
Ja. Kan vi ikke lige sætte lyset derop?
Jo, det tror jeg godt.
Kan du rykke
Er det ikke lidt brandfarligt?
Nej, det er glasfiber det her.
Ah, okay.
Hey, jeg har taget den her jakke til den veganer, tror jeg. Jeg har taget en jakke med hjem til dig, Poul. Må du lige sidde her, så kan jeg lige hurtigt lave en cigaret til os.
Ja.
Ja, der er ikke sådan super meget plads, men...
Ej, det går.
Præcis.
This is where I'm gonna sleep. This is gonna sleep over here.
Det er godt vejr der.
Oh, we just hung out with his friend who stays here. It's pretty chill. I'm about to get on a voice chat with Stoney now. I like the rocking. I haven't slept on a boat before. It's quite windy. So I'm gonna be rocked to sleep.